Yo, what is up guys? Today we are officially part of the Billionaire Boys Club. Let's get unboxing. Alright, today we are unboxing one of the Pharrell NMD collabs, and it's not the latest one. The latest one is the Extra I. It was released about, I think, yesterday on the day I'm filming. I did not know the release date, so I did not get the chance to actually cop that one. So I took a very hard L on that. Alright, so here's the box, and it's not in the greatest condition because I did get this used. If you guys can guess how much I got this, I actually only got this for 5,000 pesos, which is roughly $100. And on top of the box, you have that triangle and hue for Pharrell's logo, and you also have the year 2018, which I'm guessing is the release date of this specific pair. This is what this looks like. So I got this for only $100, and it's like a very steal because according to the box, the retail is $250, and it's right now it's still in a very pristine condition. And as we take closer looks at it, you'll probably notice some slight yellowing on the boost and some slight yellowing on the white parts of the upper, but nothing too serious and nothing too major. So you guys can see that I've already switched out one of the laces. I've turned it yellow. It does come with an extra set of laces. What it comes originally is on a white set of laces, and then it comes with an extra yellow set of laces, which right now I did a mismatch. The upper is prime knit, and it has that stripe that mostly, I think it's a mostly white dominant upper with red, yellow, and blue stripes all around it. And yeah, the knit is much more tightly woven, at least for me, compared to the Ultra Boost 4.0. And this one, I'm guessing the owner did not really use it that much. That's why it's still really stiff. One of the major designs of Pharrell with his NMDs are, of course, the words embroidered on the upper. And with this pair, the right pair has the word heart, and the left pair with the word mind. And this is a Pharrell collab with Adidas, but it's also a collab with Billionaire Boys Club, which you'll see their logo here at the heel tab. And you have this like red leather here, and then the logos of Adidas and BBC in gold. And then the newer ones, I believe, has this trail outsole compared to the OG Pharrell NMDs. The most recent releases, I believe, are already back to the OG outsoles. But I don't mind these outsoles actually. I really like the outsoles. I can wear it all the time, and we have a boost midsole, so you don't really have to worry about comfort. And then of course you have the cage here, and you have a very interesting lacing system, which I really like because you can read the words on top. So for the insole, you'll also notice the signature Pharrell design, which you'll probably see with all of his Adidas collabs. Now, what I really love about this shoe is, of course, it's a Pharrell. And although the hype on these already went down, that's why I got this at a really cheap price. Yeah, I still like them. I like the uppers. It's more stiff, which means you don't have to worry about it stretching too much. But we do have some issues. So the first issue with the Pharrell NMDs is this cage on the medial side. And if you guys notice from top view, you don't really see the cage here, and that's because your feet steps on top of it. And that's one of the real issues that I've encountered when I'm wearing this one. It's not really a big deal when it comes to wearing it with thicker socks. But again, if you're wearing something thinner, you'll really feel that plastic on the arch of your feet. Another issue is probably just because of sizing. I went true to size with this one because it was the only one available. This portion here in the middle, this upper here, it has a flap underneath, and then it adds cushioning, which I love, but also it adds space. So I was wearing a thicker sock, and I was also wearing a thinner sock. Both times I encountered the same issue. I don't know if it's just because of my feet. This part here, it adds, it cramps your feet a lot, even if you're just wearing it for the first time. On the uppers here, on the front part, you don't really have that cushioning, and it's just the prime knit, and it's actually much more comfortable for me, at least. I've already tried having loose laces on this portion, but it's still tight on that part. Oh yeah, one more thing. While wearing the shoe, when you're putting your shoe on, it's kinda tight squeeze here because, you know, it's just one whole upper and this thing doesn't really stretch. I mean, it stretches, but it also narrows this portion here. So you can stretch these two out, but this portion here on the side, it, you know, cramps inward, and yeah, it's gonna be a tight squeeze. But once you're inside, you'll be fine. You'll be good, as long as you enjoy a snug fit and probably, you know, have this underneath your arch. So one of my friends recommended that he added his Ultra Boost insole on this one, so that, you know, it would be a much more comfortable fit. So I do suggest you guys, if you have that one, if you also have an extra insole, you could just add your insole inside, and you won't have the same problem again. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace, God bless.